Meaning of galleon.
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 Galleon. A galleon is a large, multi-deck sailing ship that was used primarily by European countries from the 16th to the 18th centuries. Galleons were typically heavily armed with multiple cannons and were used for both military and trade purposes. Due to their size and strength, galleons were often used for long-distance voyages across the ocean. The design of the galleon evolved over time, with variations in the number and placement of masts, as well as improvements in rigging and hull construction, allowing for faster and more efficient travel.